Good morning, guys. Well, today we're gonna make a Dalgona coffee. Yes, for us, those who are staying at home, especially nowadays, feel like cooking. O, diba? You have so much time to prepare for your meal. O, diba? Today, I decided that we were gonna have this Dalgona coffee. Let us try it, guys. It's all over the internet. Dalgona coffee. So let's do this.
First, you'll be needing this. Any glass container or any container that you can whisk or use hand mixer. So you will be needing also an instant coffee. Anything will do as long as it will melt on any hot liquids. So instant coffee is the best. So 2 tablespoons. I am just using this tablespoon, and then put 2 sugar as well. I'm using white sugar in here. Yes, I know it's not keto, but it doesn't hurt since I'm on quarantine. And then put 2 tablespoons full of hot water also. Then you just mix it very well until it becomes foamy. So it would take a while since I'm using a whisk. Okay, you just have to be patient in mixing it. Just mix it. While we're doing that, might as well, let's see where this
The old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new one.
20 minutes later, few inches later, a few moments later.
According to the internet, this drink has origins from India, Pakistan, and Macau. It is also known as beaten coffee or whipped coffee. You can say what it is after I finished this one. Well, of course, you've seen it in the internet. It's all over the internet what it looks like after you beat the coffee. Yes, it will look like that. So anyway, popularity happened when it appeared. I was saying this drink becomes popular when it appeared on Korean TV show called Pyeongsorang. I hope I say it right. It is somewhere in January. Actor Jung Woo traveled to Macau, tried the drink, and gave it the nickname Dalgona for its resemblance to the traditional Korean sponge candy of the same name. So ever since, people were posting in their TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or all social medias about it. So it becomes famous. It's really famous now. It's go viral in few days, or like in months now, actually in months. So why? Because it is easy to whip up and it can be available in your house. If I can do it, you can do it too. Especially most of the country or the city are in quarantine, so we better stay at home, so we can't enjoy any coffee from any coffee shop. You can try this drink, guys. So after you whip it, get a milk, put an ice on the milk, and put this on top, and then voila, that's your Dalgona. I usually mix it all together, but I'll just show you how it looks like over here. So enjoy your Dalgona. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is my first attempt of the Dalgona coffee. Yan, o diba? So it really depends. If you like it foamy, then like that. So I couldn't find any cups. So I make it as 2 servings because some ice here, and hubby is just the regular full fat milk, and for me it's the almond milk I use, and then put ice and put the froth talaga. Yan, yung coffee dito. So yan lang, some like it like that. But so this is my first attempt. Enjoy. Try it at home also, guys.
시간은 기묘한 존재